Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we have a delightful drink recipe that will keep your skin looking smooth, fresh and absolutely radiant. Our first ingredient is this large cucumber. The cucumber we are using today has a tough skin, so we'll be peeling it to ensure a smooth texture and easy blending. While the skin of the cucumber does contain some nutrients, the majority of the cucumber's hydrating properties, antioxidants, and vitamin C resides in the flesh itself. So by peeling the cucumber, we are still retaining a significant amount of its skin-loving goodness. Next up, we have a juicy apple. Apples are fantastic for your skin, rich in vitamins A and E, which are known for their moisturizing properties and ability to keep your skin supple and youthful. Plus, the natural sweetness of apples adds a delightful flavor to our drink. Freshly squeezed orange juice is our next ingredient. Oranges are a fantastic source of vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that keeps your skin firm and supple, helping to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Ginger is not only a spice for adding flavor, but also a powerful ingredient for your skin. This little powerhouse adds more than a touch of flavor. Its magical properties will give your skin that radiant, healthy glow we all desire. I will be adding a little bit of clove powder, but it is optional. Cloves have been used for centuries in skincare due to their antimicrobial and antiseptic properties. They can help cleanse and purify the skin, promoting a clear and healthier complexion. So now in a blender, we'll combine all the ingredients and add some water and blend until smooth. The hydrating cucumber, the moisturizing apple, the stimulating ginger, the skin-loving clove powder, and the collagen-boosting orange juice. Wow, your skin will thank you for this nourishing treat. You can also add honey for extra sweetness and its amazing benefits for the skin. Remember, taking care of your skin starts from the inside out, and this drink is the perfect way to nourish and pamper your skin. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up by clicking on the like button below, subscribe, share with a friend, and leave a comment below. I truly appreciate. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.